Welcome back to my channel. You are now watching Daily Korean Updates.
Rain and Kim Tae Hee spotted on a date while holding hands together. Singer, Rain and actress Kim Tae Hee were seen on a date while holding hands together. On November 10, one photo took the internet by storm. The photo was of Rain and Kim Tae Hee walking while holding hands with each other. They are wearing comfortable-looking casual clothes and walking side by side. Even though it had almost been 4 years since they got married, they seem like they were still enjoying their newlywed life. The uploader wrote that she took the photo when the couple neared their home in Yongsan-gu, Seoul. Regarding this photo, fans wrote comments such as, "They are so cute, marriage goals, they are totally still in love," and so on. Recently, Rain actually expressed his love for Kim Tae Hee through Instagram. Under Kim Tae Hee's photos from a photo shoot, Rain wrote, "Oh what? Tae Hee, you are so pretty." He also added over 25 red heart emojis next to his comment. Rain is from the famous K-drama Full House in 2004 with Song Ye-kyo. And Kim Tae Hee is from hit drama Stairway to Heaven in 2003.
Wow!
Share your thoughts at the comment section, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily updates. Thank you so much for watching.